Hi there, Matt here from Minerva. So today I'm going to be talking all about denim and the great selection that Minerva has. But before I talk about these, a little bit of history. Now, denim is a twill weave fabric that dates back to the 17th century and was created in Nîmes in France. Originally called serge de Nîmes, which translates as twill of Nîmes, over the years this has been shortened to simply denim or denim. The fabric is weaved using a white weft thread and a coloured warp thread. This process means the fabric is coloured on one side and white on the other. In the early 20th century, denim was the preferred workwear for cowboys, miners and farmers. Not only was the fabric cheap, it was more durable and sturdier than any alternative. In 1873, the American company Levi Strauss painted the rivet that was later incorporated into the company's jean design. Levi Strauss was instrumental in the development of the jean and the popularity of denim. The 501 style was launched in 1890, belt loops appeared in 1922, and zippers replaced the button fly on some styles in 1954. Now, Hollywood helped romanticize the blue jean in the 1920s and 1930s by putting the trousers on handsome cowboy types played by the likes of John Wayne and Gary Cooper. Publicity photos of actresses like Ginger Rogers and Carole Lombard wearing jeans helped convince women that the style was for them too. Other garments were starting to be made using denim, and in 1942 the American designer Claire Mercado sold more than 75,000 of her denim popover wrap dress. In the 1950s, James Dean and Marlon Brando popularized the jean with teenagers, and throughout the 20th century styles continued to be developed. In 1976, Calvin Klein was the first mainstream designer to feature jeans on the runway. Denim is such a popular fabric. Made from cotton, denim is natural and breathable, but the thick twill weave of this fabric makes it highly resistant to abrasions and tears. And Minerva have a huge selection of denim in various weights and colours, and I've got 10 samples here from the Minerva core range to show you. I'll start with one of the heaviest denims in the range. This is a 500 GSM heavy rigid denim in indigo blue. You see there's no stretch there really, but it's very heavy. This is the heaviest one at 500 GSM, that's grams per square metre. It's a good heavy non-stretch fabric, ideal for making a pair of jeans or even the Style Arc Stevie jean jacket. This pattern is available on Minerva, of course. Now, the next fabric I have is the 375 GSM Stonewash denim fabric. Now, this is another heavy non-stretch fabric. Fold that back, you can see hardly any stretch to that. The one I have here is in black, but it's also available in blue and navy. Now, if you do fancy trying to make a pair of jeans for yourself, there are plenty of jeans patterns on Minerva. Now, there's the Wardrobe by Me 5-pocket jean pattern, or the Sunshine jean from I Am Sewing Patterns. Now, my next wonderful denim is the 330 GSM heavy rigid denim fabric. This is a medium to heavyweight fabric, and it's available in 4 colours. This one is in aqua, but it's also available in black, light blue and navy blue. Now, because this is a medium to heavyweight fabric, I think it would be ideal maybe for a jacket. So why not try the DP Studio Sewing pattern and make yourself a lovely jacket. Now, if you want a lighter denim, then there's the 300 GSM stretch washed denim fabric. Now, this is 97% cotton and 3% lycra. It has a stretch of about 10%, so you can see it can stretch there. Now, this is available in 3 colours: black, jeans blue and navy blue. Now, my next denim is the 290 GSM soft washed denim fabric. This is a medium to heavyweight fabric, It's non-stretch, and it's also available in 5 colours: black, dark blue, indigo blue, light blue and medium blue. Now this one here is a light blue and would be perfect for the Fit for Art jean jacket sewing pattern. That's also available on Minerva. Now if you like colours, then this next fabric is available in 15 colours, including red, khaki and white. Now this one is ochre, and it's a stretch denim. It's the 280 GSM stretch washed denim, and it's 48% cotton, 48% polyester and 4% elastane, and it does have a 10% stretch. And if you're looking for a stretch jean pattern, then the Megan Nielsen Ash jean sewing pattern is a real bargain. It has 4 jean versions in one pattern. Now this next one is a poly cotton mix. It's 70% cotton and 30% poly cotton. It's a medium heavy fabric at 270 GSM and is non-stretch. This is also available in 4 colours. This one is indigo. Now I do like this denim, and I think it would make a lovely boiler suit, and who doesn't like a boiler suit? So why not try the Style Arc Melrose boiler suit pattern, and that's also available on Minerva. Now the next denim is also available in lots of colours, 10 colours on this one. Now this one is fuchsia, but it's also available in mustard, pink, rose and stone. So you have a really good choice of colours there. Again, it's a medium to heavyweight fabric at 255 GSM. It has a 10% stretch, and it's a mix of 70% cotton, 22% polyester and 3% spandex. Look at that, I love this colour. This is so bright and beautiful and lovely. Not sure if I would wear pink, but it's a lovely colour. Pink makes the boys wink. Now this next one is of medium weight of 190 GSM. It's a nice soft denim, so this one is in light blue, but it's also available in dark blue and medium blue. It does have a 15% stretch to it. It's a nice soft denim, perfect for a dress or a skirt in the summer. And my final denim is a light washed denim at 130 GSM. It's a non-stretch cotton fabric, and it's available in 3 colours: dark blue, light blue and medium blue. This one here is a medium blue. This light denim would be perfect for maybe a shirt, so it'd be nice and cool in the summer. Now, classic shirt pattern like this one from Liesl & Co, which is also available on Minerva. Now, if you are going to be sewing with denim, there are a few tools that you may find useful. Now, needles are always useful, of course, when you're sewing, but in particular, a jeans needle should be used for sewing denim. Let me get one out here. There we go. Now, this has a very sharp point and a stronger shank to prevent the needle bending or breaking, and it will push through the heavy fabric quite well. So you can see that one there. Now Minerva stock quite a variety of jeans needles, including the hemline jeans needles and prim. Now another needle that you might find useful, let me put that one back in there, don't want to lose that. Now another needle you might find useful is a twin needle. Now this can be used when top stitching the denim fabric. It produces 2 parallel lines of stitching, which is often a feature on jeans. And then another tool that you might find useful is one of these. You might have one with your machine, or you can buy them on Minerva. It's a bulky C-made, and this helps to keep the foot of your sewing machine horizontal and to help feed thick layers evenly and to keep stitching consistent. And there we have it. There's 10 wonderful fabrics from Minerva. There's more available online, so get searching. Enjoy sewing with denim. Hopefully this video has been useful, giving you a little bit of insight into denim, what tools you need, and the great fabrics that Minerva offer. So thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.